Hello friends, welcome back to Car DNA. Happy New Year to all of you. Today we will tell you about best SUV off-roaders available in India in different price segments between 1 lakh to 1 crore. So let's start the video. Mahindra Thar. Mahindra Thar has hit the market and is doing really well in this price segment. This vehicle offers you 2184cc diesel engine that has 150 bhp of power and produces 300 Nm of torque. The vehicle is offering 226 mm of ground clearance as well. Mahindra Scorpio. Scorpio is leading the industry from several years till now and has performed really well in the off-roading segment as well as in the on-road performance. It offers 2179cc engine that gives 140 bhp of power with 320 Nm of torque. It gives you 180 mm of ground clearance. Jeep Compass. Jeep Compass is also killing the segment with its looks and performance, and in the off-roading segment it has performed really well. It gives you luxury and power at the same time with its looks and design. This gives you BS6 1956cc engine that has 173 bhp of power and 350 Nm of torque and a ground clearance of 178 mm. Force Gurkha. Force Motors is famous for its build quality and strength, and Force Gurkha is one of them, produced by Force Motors. It offers you every terrain managing skills. It has 2598cc diesel engine that gives you 89 bhp of power and 260 Nm of torque with a ground clearance of 190 mm. Renault Duster. Renault's Duster is also a very good off-roading vehicle manufactured till date with its 1498cc engine that gives 154 bhp of power and 254 Nm of torque. It gives 205 mm of ground clearance as well. Now let's move on to our next price segment, which you can buy if you are looking for an off-roading vehicle. Mahindra Alturas G4. In this price segment we have got Mahindra's Alturas G4 that has perfect off-roading capabilities and looks really amazing with its design. It offers you 2157cc diesel engine with 178 bhp of power that generates 420 Nm of torque and has 244 mm of ground clearance as well. Toyota Fortuner. Toyota comes with reliability and comfort with its every manufactured vehicle. So as in the Fortuner, it has ruled the market from so many years, and it has two engine options available in the segment. One is petrol that has 2694cc with 163 bhp of power and 245 Nm of torque, and other one is a diesel engine of 2755cc that produces 174 bhp of power and 450 Nm of torque. Fortuner has 193 mm of ground clearance as well. MG Gloucester. Morris Garage has came up with a very amazing off-roader in the market, that is its Gloucester, which comes with a bundle of features in it that makes it really demanding in this price segment. It has got 1996cc twin turbo diesel engine and 218 bhp of power with 480 Nm of torque. It has a ground clearance of 210 mm as well. Ford Endeavour. sports utility vehicle Endeavour has a huge fan base in India from day one of its launch. It has a 1996cc diesel engine that has 167 bhp of power and 420 Nm of torque. When it comes to ground clearance, it has 225 mm of it. Isuzu Mux. This is also a good option you can opt in this price segment. It has 2999cc engine that has 174 bhp of power and 380 Nm of torque with 220 mm of ground clearance as well. Now, let's move on to our next price segment. Let's check out what it offers. Land Rover Discovery. It has been in the market with its luxurious looks and features for many years from now, and Discovery comes with all of it at once. It really looks amazing on the roads, and when it comes to off-roading, then also it has a huge fan base. It offers 1997cc petrol engine with 177 bhp of power and 365 Nm of torque, and a diesel engine with 1999cc and 177 bhp of power along with 430 Nm of torque. It provides 205 mm of ground clearance as well. Jeep Wrangler. Jeep Wrangler is known for its best quality and features in the automobile sector. It offers you with 1998cc petrol engine with 268 bhp of power and 400 Nm of torque as well. It comes with 10.8 inches of ground clearance. Toyota Land Cruiser. When it comes to class and luxury, Land Cruiser comes first. With its off-roading capabilities, it resembles itself like a truck, but with a luxury touch. It has 4.6-liter V8 engine with 320 bhp of power and 460 Nm of torque. It gives you rock crawling and tire pressure monitoring system as well. It has got 8.9 inches of ground clearance that adds a wow factor into the vehicle. BMW X7. BMW has been in the business for so many years from now and has got a fine knowledge about his customers' taste. X7 is the output of that experience. It is available in both petrol and diesel engine variants, 2998cc for petrol along with 335 bhp power and 450 Nm of torque, and with a diesel engine that serves you with 2998cc with same power and torque. It has 221 mm of ground clearance as well. Last but not the least comes the best of all off-roader SUVs, that is Mercedes GLS. It looks really massive and amazing by the design given by the company and has got 2925cc of diesel engine and 2999cc of petrol as well. That produces 362 bhp of power and 500 Nm of torque. It has 11 inches of ground clearance as well. So that's it for today, friends. Thank you for watching the video.